Have you ever wondered, how are Bursa Malaysia's marketplace being monitored? Would you like to know how the marketplace is maintained orderly and fair? Welcome to Bursa Malaysia. We are the frontline regulator of the equity and derivatives markets. So, what does this mean for you? Through Bursa Malaysia regulation, we ensure the markets you invest in are orderly and fair, so that you have timely, accurate, and complete information to make informed investment decisions. Are able to trade in a fair and efficient environment. Have confidence in your brokers to provide secure and trusted services to you. So, how do we protect the marketplace? We have multidisciplinary teams in Bursa Malaysia regulation that focus on specific areas while collaborating with each other to provide a comprehensive network of safeguards for investor protection. We also work closely with other regulators and law enforcement agencies. Real-time surveillance of the market. We have a market surveillance team that acts as your market police. They monitor the stock market against irregular trading activities in day-to-day trading. This team uses an automated surveillance system to monitor trading in the equity and derivatives markets in real time. Should irregular trading activities be detected, this team of specialized analysts will fact-check and engage the brokers involved for their immediate action. Supervision of intermediaries. As safeguarding the integrity of the marketplace is paramount to us, our intermediary supervision team secures the protection of your trading and deposits through consistent broker monitoring and inspection. Disclosure. Continuing listing obligations and gatekeeping of listed companies or products. To be ASEAN's leading, sustainable, and globally connected marketplace, Bursa Malaysia places high emphasis on the quality of our listed companies. This begins from the approving of new listings on the exchange, through to ensuring that listed companies remain of quality through governance and compliance. As it is imperative for investors to be well informed in the fast-paced financial world, Bursa Malaysia regulations listing and corporate surveillance teams monitor companies' corporate announcements so that they are disseminated to you in a timely and accurate manner. Enforcement action is taken should there be any failure to do so, or should there be any material inaccuracies to the announcements made. As we are also a venue for listed companies' secondary fundraising, our relevant departments work together to ensure investors' funds are always used as mandated. We have a dedicated team of finance experts to examine corporate disclosures, including financial reports, so that they are accurate and timely that you can rely on. Within Bursa Malaysia regulation, we have subject matter experts that look at the various international sustainability reporting frameworks that are constantly evolving to ensure that our disclosure requirements are appropriately benchmarked. This ultimately drives the desired improvements in our PLC sustainability disclosures as well as practices. Taking enforcement action. So what happens when the persons are regulated by us? Be they brokers, advisors, listed companies, directors, or their representatives, breach our rules. Appropriate action will be taken against them. The types of action taken would depend on the severity of the breach. Suspected breaches will be investigated, and enforcement actions will be taken if the breach is proven. Our enforcement proceedings and actions are consistent and fair as cases are discussed in a robust manner through our regulatory committees, comprising independent individuals with relevant experience and backgrounds. Policy and rulemaking. Bursa regulation is the guardian to the 10 rule books of the securities and derivatives markets. Rules drawn up by the regulatory policy and advisory team are always outcome-focused. Industry or public consultations with the relevant key stakeholders will be undertaken, alongside rigorous benchmarking processes to ensure the rules are relevant, effective, fit for purpose, and on par with international standards. Each multidisciplinary team in Bursa Malaysia regulation is intertwined and interact proactively to ensure high standards in market integrity.
Hi everyone, welcome to this webinar brought to you by Bursa Malaysia and managed by LifeChamp. I'm Atira, your moderator for today's session. So, topic for tonight is building wealth through your eWallet. Now, we use our Touch and Go eWallet almost every day to pay bills, grab groceries, or split meals with friends. Super convenient, right? But guess what? Your eWallet also can do more than just a spending. Now, it comes with a cool digital tools to help you start investing even if you are brand new or don't have a big budget. From a micro investment with small amounts to easy share trading, your e-wallet could be your first step into investing world. And today, we are very honored to have Miss Kong Yuening, Business Development Manager for Wealth from TNG Digital, to share with you how your everyday e-wallet can become a powerful tool for a long-term wealth building. Before that, before we proceed, allow me to make a short disclaimer. Please be reminded that everything in this session is mainly for educational purpose only, and by no way we are providing you advice to buy or sell any securities. You are 100% liable if you make any investment decision. Now, allow me to briefly introduce our esteemed speaker for today. She is none other than Miss Yuening. She is currently the Business Development Manager for Wealth Financial Services at TNG Digital Sdn Berhad, where she plays a key role in driving the company's mission to democratize access of investment products through Malaysia's leading e-wallet. With over a decade of experience in the financial services industry, her career spans notable roles at CIMB, PayNet, and now TNG Digital, where she executes strategic initiatives to offer convenience, affordable, and flexible investment tools to empower Malaysians to grow their wealth. Good day, Miss Kong Yuen Hing. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Hi.
Hi, good evening, Atira. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. So I will pass this to you.
Okay, thanks, Atira, for the kind introduction, and good evening to everyone who is joining today's webinar. Have you guys had your dinner? If yes, you can maybe give a good sign in your reaction button to let me know whether you have already had your dinner before joining the webinar tonight. Okay, I saw. Okay, so some of the good sign. Great. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so as Atira has mentioned, today we will be sharing with you how you can also build your wealth through your TNG e-wallet now. I know most of you are using your e-wallet very conveniently for payment or fund transfer to your friends or family, but apart from the normal payment function, you can actually also build your wealth through your e-wallet. So let's find out how today. Okay, so today we'll be sharing a few of the digital wealth tools that are already integrated into your TNG e-wallet, and then also learn about how actually small amount invested regularly can help you to build long-term wealth, and of course also discover a feature that we recently launched last year, which is e-trade, and also some introduction on how you can also kickstart your share trading journey through TNG e-wallet itself. Okay, so feel free to type any question that you have along the way, and we will get that answer at the end of the session. Okay. Okay, so before we start the session, let's have a quick icebreaker. If you are convenient, you can take out your phone and scan the QR code on the screen now, and let's play a little game before we start our webinar, right? So you can either scan the QR code or just go to menti.com and key in the code on the right. Okay. Okay, so maybe I leave this screen for 3 seconds for you guys to scan or key in the code before we start our icebreaker game. Okay. Okay, so if you have scanned the QR code, then you can answer some questions that are available on your phone already. Okay, so the first question, which description sounds most like you? Okay, you can rank them from 1 until 4th. Which one sounds most like you? Okay, so the first one, I'm seeing most of you have chosen, you track your expenses, love seeing your savings grow, hate spending on emergency fund. Now has dropped to rank number 2 already. So most of you are all about long-term plan and gain, and you want your money to work harder. Great. Okay. So number 2 now, you track your expenses, love seeing your savings grow, hate spending on emergency fund. So rank number 3 is you believe money is meant to enjoy and you're all about at the present moment. And the least would be you'd rather not think about money. Okay, it's glad to see that the least of you would rather not think about money, because if not, then it will be quite worrying. Okay, any more response? Okay, so most of you chose you're all about long-term plan and gains and you want your money to work harder. Okay, good. So we'll move on to the next question. Okay. Next question, you can type any answer on the screen, okay? So the question is, if I had 1 million ringgit, what would you do if you have 1 million ringgit? Wow, invest it all. Invest. Wow, everyone will invest your money. Great. Retire, okay. Any other response? What would you do if you have 1 million ringgit? Invest and retire. I guess everyone here is on the same page, yeah? Invest and retire. Invest it all to make more money. Okay. Probably just FD it. Okay. Invest half of it. What about the other half? Invest 50%, balance go for vacation. Very balanced answer. Make it grow 3 times above inflation rate and ensure no risk. Okay. Invest some, travel, donate to some charity. Okay. Convert, put all in touch and go. Thank you for your support. To earn 1 million from this 1 million. Okay. Okay, so I see most of us over here want to invest more, and we definitely want to earn more from this 1 million that we have, right? Settling debt, yes, part of our life and also financial journey as well, yeah. Okay, any more response? If not, then let's move on to the 30% investment, 30% emergency, and then 10% to charity. Okay, good. You already have a plan and the percentage as well. Okay, so last question. Are you ready for the last question? Do you love money? Who love money? Okay, I'm glad no one chose the last response lah for now. Okay, so 13 chose yes, show me the money. I like it, but I don't chase it. Some of you responded this. Okay, any more response? So the fact that no one chose the last response means that everyone in this webinar love money, right? And definitely we want to grow our money. So today we'll share with you some of the products or offerings that we have already launched conveniently through the TNG eWallet app. which I hope it can also help you in your money growing or wealth building journey in your life. Okay, so thank you so much for your response in this mini game. So let's move on to the slides, yeah. Okay, so first let's start off with why building wealth matters. I think through the second question earlier, you mentioned that if you have 1 million, then you would want to invest and build more money. So these are basically some of the key reasons why we will need money nowadays, right? So investment is here, which is the most response that we have gotten earlier. So of course, basic needs and survival. Nowadays, earlier someone also mentioned that 1 million is already not enough if we plan to retire early. So for the basic needs and survival, especially after we retire, we will definitely need some money for that. And for those who are still in the younger phase of your life, definitely purchasing your dream home, dream car, or dream anything, we will also need some money for that. Social activities for freedom and independence, including settling some of our debts if we have any loans currently. Okay, setting up emergency funds as well. Counter inflation, also something that some of our participants mentioned earlier. Inflation rate is growing higher and higher. So definitely, if possible, we will also need our money or our wealth to grow at a higher inflation rate, higher than inflation rate. Okay, traveling, yes, of course, who doesn't love traveling, right? And then opens up opportunities. So if some of you, for example, you want to start your own business, okay, or you have a potential opportunity to invest in some startup, then building wealth matters because it will also help you support your dream of this of going into these opportunities as well. Okay, and for people who have families, you may also want to build some wealth and leave some legacy for your children, grandchildren, so that they can also have a better lifestyle. Okay, so in a nutshell, these are why building wealth matters. Okay, but since we already know that building wealth matters so much, how do we actually get started, right? There are so many options out there, many types of investments that we have seen in the market, including unit trusts, or we have real estate investment, FDs, savings account, and also there are many options to invest through, right? We can invest through a bank, okay, through your relationship manager, or through other investment platforms, apps, and so on. So how do you get started easily if you still have not started investing? Okay, so that's why we actually introduced Go Finance in the TNG eWallet itself 2 years ago. Okay, so if you currently have your phone, you can also log into your TNG eWallet, and then you will actually see a Go Finance button at the bottom of the screen. So feel free to explore it. You can click into Go Finance, and then there are actually a few features, okay, that are already available through your TNG eWallet. Okay, so I'll just briefly go through some of the key features that you can find. Of course, firstly, as Atira also mentioned earlier, we use our TNG wallet to make a lot of payments, okay, or fund transfer. So you can actually track where your cash actually flow through this Go Finance dashboard. Okay, so firstly, it will allow us to track our cash flow, how much money comes into our e-wallet every month and how much money goes out from our e-wallet every month. Okay, so we do have Go Plus as well. It's like a bank savings account in your e-wallet that gives you daily returns. So we will go into some of the features of Go Plus later. For investment, of course, we do have a few product offerings which we will go through later on as well through Go Finance. And then other products will include like insurance. Yes, you can actually purchase life insurance, car insurance digitally through our platform. Visa card as well, if you need a card to spend locally or globally. Remittance of money overseas. We do have also cash loan and also CTOS credit checks available all through Go Finance. Okay, so if you are not familiar, these are actually the key features related to financial services that you can already access through the TNG eWallet. Okay. Okay, so next moving on into the investment tools that are available in TNG eWallet itself. Okay, so you can type in the chat. I think you will have access to the Zoom chat, right? How many types of investment products are there in the eWallet? You can just type any numbers. If you know, you can just type the number. If no, can just give a guess and type any number in the Zoom chat. Okay, I see. Some say 1, 2. I see some 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also got people mention. 1, 2, 5, 5. Okay, so let's see what's the correct answer. Okay, so correct answer is we actually have 5. Okay, 5 key products, I would say, that is available as part of the investment tools that you can find in the eWallet. So how can you actually access to all these investment tools? On your eWallet homepage, if you have your phone now, you can just tap on the Grow Your Money button on the left-hand side. And these are actually the 5 key investment products, okay, over here that are available for you. So we have Gold Plus, Unit Trust, which we partner with ASMB and also Principal Asset Management. ERMAS is Digital Gold, and also eTrade, the share trading platform in collaboration with Bursa Malaysia and also Affin Hwang Investment Bank. Okay, so correct, the answer is 5. Congratulations to those who got it correct. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so all our products through the TNG eWallet are built so that all of us can have a one-stop investment solution or investment platform. So as we all know, more than 20 million of our Malaysian population are already using the TNG eWallet in your daily life. So we would also want to integrate building wealth into all of our daily life as well. Okay, so that is why we have the few key product offerings that can help you to build your wealth. And we do have an investment holding summary for some of our investment products that you can see how much money have you managed to gain or save, okay, through TNG eWallet. And all of our products, you can actually start investing from 10 ringgit. Okay, so unlike banks where the minimum investment amount will be higher, or if you go through any of the investment agent, unit trust agent, most of the minimum investment amount is 500 or some even 1,000 ringgit. Okay, so through TNG eWallet, the minimum investment amount is 10 ringgit. Simple digital investment journey. Yes, no more paper forms needed to be filled up. Everything can be completed directly in your app. Okay, so you can choose to complete it anytime that you are convenient at. Okay, and also variety of investment products according to your risk appetite. So we do have low risk products like money market funds and up to higher risk product like share trading or a more aggressive type of unit trust funds. So we do have different types of products to suit different types of needs and also risk appetites of our customers. Okay. Okay, so we'll go through a few key features of the 5 products just to let you know a bit more of the product itself. So the first one, of course, also the lower entry barrier product that we have is Gold Plus. So if you are familiar, Gold Plus is actually a money market fund, something like FD, if you are more familiar with in the eWallet. So this product is actually in partnership with Principal Asset Management and it's Sharia compliant. And one of the more attracting feature is that it actually gives us daily return rate of up to 3.5% per annum. Okay. And apart from saving, unlike FD where it has a fixed holding period, right? So let's say for FD, you will need to save 1,000 ringgit with minimum holding period of 1 month. Okay, so for Gold Plus, there is no holding period as well. You can actually cash in anytime you like and then cash out anytime you like. Okay, and it also supports payment transactions. So if let's say you are lack of money in your eWallet balance, with our quick reload payment feature, you can also make payment immediately and directly from your Gold Plus balance. Okay, so you don't have to actually manually transfer out the Gold Plus fund into your eWallet and then make the payment. Okay, so it will be done directly. Low minimum entry, so the minimum cash in is 10 ringgit and you can save up to 20,000 in your Gold Plus balance. Okay, so with the daily return of 3.5%, so maybe I just ask in the webinar as well, how much does it cost for a plate of chap fan or nasi campur now? You can just type any figure in the chat box. How much does a plate of chap fan or nasi campur cost now? Some say 10 ringgit, 8 ringgit. Okay, any more guess? 8 to 15, 8 ringgit. Okay, so average around 8 to 20. Okay, so let's say average around 10 ringgit lah. Okay, so in layman terms, if you save up to 20,000 in Gold Plus with 3.5% of daily return, it will give you around 190 to 2 ringgit a day. Okay, so 2 times 30, about 50 to 60 ringgit of return rate that you'll get in a month. So which will get you around 6 plates of chap fan or nasi campur in a month. Okay, so this is about Gold Plus. You can earn the daily returns and save on 6 plates of nasi campur lah in a month. Okay. Right. I saw some question in the Zoom chat, so if you don't mind, I will get them answered later, yeah. Okay, so the next products that would like to introduce is ERMAS. So ERMAS is actually a digital gold product that enables us to buy and sell gold digitally. So don't have to queue at Pokong or Habit to buy your gold. So you can buy it conveniently through your eWallet as well. So also same, the minimum entry is 10 ringgit. And then less risk of physical damage, no worries about theft because everything is kept in your eWallet. No additional fees or charges. So whatever rate that you see on the screen is actually a live rate that we quote from our liquidity provider, which is CIMB Bank. So on the left-hand side, if you can look at the screen, right, we do have the sell rate and also the buy rate. So all these are actually the live gold price that you are buying into or selling off. Okay. And of course, apart from buying and selling, we do also have a feature over here You can also buy and send gold to your loved ones, your children, your family and friends as well. And then we also do have a gold alert feature that we launched. So you can set up some alerts. So for example, if you want Touch and Go eWallet to alert you when the gold price drop to 300, not sure whether it's still possible or not. Okay, so you can set up the alert with the preferred price that you like. And once the gold price reach your preferred price, then we will automatically send you an alert through notification. Okay, so this is about the digital gold product. All right, next product. So next we do have unit trust funds. So for unit trust, currently TNG eWallet, we are working with two close partner, ASNB and also Principal Asset Management. So you can actually choose from more than 30 type of funds from these two fund houses already in the app. Okay, so ASNB now for the minimum investment is also 10 ringgit. And then if you currently don't have an ASNB account yet, you can also open it digitally through our app as well. Okay, and then apart from that, other features that we have also is Auto Labor. So Auto Labor is actually a regular savings plan or investment that you can automatically set the amount that you would like to invest and also the frequency that you like. Okay, and then once it's set up, then it will automatically helps you to invest into the ASNB fund that you have chosen. Okay, and then of course also if you have a dependent or your family, you can also invest on behalf of them through your eWallet app as well. And for the fund type is actually exactly the same as per what ASNB is offering. We have both fixed price and also variable price fund. Okay. So similarly for Principal Asset Management, you could also choose to invest in the unit trust funds from Principal Asset Management. For SAFE, on the left-hand side, here there are actually three sub-features that our partner is offering. So SAFE, it's another Islamic money market fund that you can invest in. And then for invest, it will be the other types of unit trust funds ranging from conservative, moderate, up to aggressive risk of funds. And last but not least, retire, which is the private retirement scheme. Okay, so for save and invest, the minimum entry is 10 ringgit. However, for private retirement scheme, the minimum entry is slightly higher at 100 ringgit per transaction. Okay. And the last product that we offer through our app would be eTrade. So eTrade is actually a share trading platform. So if you are familiar with share trading, nowadays we do have a banking platform, investment banking platform that you can invest digitally or through your broker directly. So currently in our eWallet app, you can also open a trading account and trade local stocks immediately already. Okay, so this is actually our first tripartite collaboration between TNG eWallet, Affin Hwang Investment Bank, and also Bursa Malaysia. So through eTrade, you can open a CDS account. So the account that we are opening is a direct CDS account and not a nominee account. So which means once you have this, all the shares that you buy or sell will be directly under your own name, yeah? Okay, all CDS account and also trading account can be opened digitally, no paper submission needed. And then once you have opened your account, you can already log into eTrade just via your eWallet and buy and sell shares. Okay, for the brokerage rate that Affin Hwang Investment Bank is offering is from as low as 5 ringgit. I think it's one of the lowest among the Malaysian investment banks in the market. Okay, so in a nutshell, these are the 5 key products that TNG Digital currently offers for our users to invest their money or build our wealth. Okay, so before I move on, is everyone okay following so far? If yes, just give a 888 in the chat before we move on. Okay, 888. Okay, great. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so today we will dive a bit deeper on the e-trade journey just to show all of you how is our CDS and also trading account opening journey like, and also some of the simple key features that we have in e-trade. Okay. So some of the key features that I have covered earlier already: digital onboarding, tripartite collaboration, controlled risk. Okay, so within eTrade, right, the trading account that we are offering our user is actually a cash upfront account. So what it means is before we execute any buying or selling of shares, you must deposit money into your trading account first before you are able to do so. Okay, so it's like a prepaid account in layman term. Okay, secured platform, of course, provided by Affin Hwang Investment Bank, our partner. And then no need to download a separate stock trading app. For those of you who would like your phone to be clean and not cluttered by many apps, this may be a value proposition for you. Okay, so don't need to download a separate app, and you can manage all your stock trading just with one app, which is your eWallet. Okay, and apart from the lower brokerage fee, we also do not charge any additional platform fee as well. Okay. So just to walk through a bit on the journey, if you are interested to open one account in the future, so this product is only for Malaysian citizen aged 18 years old and above, and also residing in Malaysia. Okay, and must be TNG eWallet user without any existing trading account with Affin Hwang lah. Okay, so for users who already have an Affin Hwang trading account, then you may proceed to trade directly through the investment banking app. Okay. So in terms of the account opening, digital account opening journey, it will roughly look like this. So just to share with all of you, so that you have an idea if you need to open a trading account in the future, right? So how do you access to eTrade? As I mentioned earlier, you can access it through the Grow Your Money tile on the left-hand side of your eWallet screen, and also click on the eTrade button. Okay, so once you click on this, you will then land on the Affin Hwang Investment Bank eTrade mini program. Okay, so just click on the open an eTrade account now and agree to proceed. Okay. So these are just some of the eligibility check and also some documents that you will need to prepare upfront. So you will need to prepare your NRIC copy, front and back. So later I will show you, and then also your 1-month bank statement for verification purpose. Okay, so once you click agree and proceed, the first page of basic details will be auto-populated, okay, from your eWallet information that we have. But of course, your email address is editable lah. Okay. And once you click next, there will actually be a verification process to verify your email address. Okay. And then next would be the personal details, contact details, account details, and also the employment details that you need to fill up. So basically quite similar to when you are applying for a trading account through a bank. It's just that some of the fields have been minimized, okay, to make our account opening journey simpler. Okay, but most of the details needed are pretty much the same for Affin Hwang Investment Bank and also Bursa Malaysia. Okay, so just follow through the screen and fill up your details. Okay. And then next you will be prompted with some questions. So for physical trading account application, most likely you will meet a bank officer face to face. You will need to queue and also wait at the bank branch. Okay, so how do we replace the face-to-face verification is through these digital verification questions. Okay, so just answer, there will be 5 identity questions that will be prompted, okay, for you to answer. So for example, do you have a car loan with public bank? Do you have a housing loan with mBank? Okay, so you are required to answer these questions correctly to kind of verify or prove your identity in order to proceed. Okay, so next, then we will create our trading account ID, password, and also trading PIN. Okay, so you will be wondering, right? I already have my eWallet ID with TNG eWallet, and I already have my 6-digit PIN or my biometric with my eWallet. Why do I need to create another set of ID and password separately? Okay, so the reason is very simple. We know that our money is very important. Our investment is very important for us to make more money. So this is a second layer of security verification before in case anyone have access to your mobile phone, then without this set of user ID and password, they will not be able to access your investment in share trading. Okay, so that is the reason why we do have this trading account ID and password verification as well. Okay, so once done, then it will be the bank detail stage. So for bank details, what we will need is your latest bank statement with your own name, your full name, and also the bank account number. Okay, so this bank account number must be in your own name, cannot be in other person's name, because whatever withdrawal that you want to conduct subsequently from your trading account can only go to this bank account. Okay, so for the IC that you have prepared, you can take a photo of front and also back IC for the operations team to verify your identity before we get your CDS account and also trading account successfully open. Okay, and for the last few steps will be to agree on to review your information first, of course, and then agree on the terms and conditions. Complete your digital signature to make of 10 ringgit for CDS account opening fee. Okay, so for this CDS account opening fee, it will also have to be deposited from a bank account that belongs to you. Okay. Yep, and that's all for the digital application process for a CDS account and also trading account. Okay, so once this is done, then the application will automatically flow through Affin Hwang Investment Bank and also Bursa Malaysia for the account opening of 2 accounts. One is your CDS account, the other one is your trading account. So you will need both in order for all the shares to be traded under your own personal name. Okay, so once you have submitted the application, we will also be updating your status through email. So you may check your email after you have applied, and then also push notification will be automatically sent to you once your application is completed and once your account is successfully opened. Okay. So what's next after you have opened your account? So these are some of the key features that we do have inside eTrade. So once your account is open, right, and when you come back to eTrade through your TNG eWallet, then you will be prompted this welcome back screen. Okay, so just key in your login ID and also the password that you created just now for this trading account and click on login, and this is what you will see. Okay, so if you can see at the bottom, there are actually four key features that you can explore through eTrade. We have watch list, market, order, and also portfolio. So I'll go through one by one. So first, of course, we will need to deposit our money into the trading account before we start any share trading activity. So how do we do this is through portfolio. You can click on cash in to deposit money from your bank account. Okay, so you can select your bank on top over here, if you can see the red color box. Okay, and then key in your email address. What is the amount that you would like to top up? Select your bank name. Okay, and then once that is done, you will be redirected to your respective bank screen to complete the fund transfer, and then that is done. Okay, so currently for cash in, it is only available via FPX from another bank account under your name. Okay, for eWallet cash in, currently it's still not supported yet. Okay, because as we know, for share trading, the trading amount can go quite high, especially for expert traders. Okay, and for eWallet, we are currently mandated by Bank Negara to only limit the maximum balance at 20,000. So that is why currently the top up channel will be through online banking only. Okay. And for withdrawal, similarly under portfolio, you can click on cash out and then withdraw, click on the withdraw fund, key in the amount that you like to withdraw, confirm your bank name and bank account number. So this bank account number is the one that you used to register earlier, okay, during the application stage. So confirm and then click on withdraw. So then the withdrawal request submitted successfully, and the money that you would like to withdraw will be credited into your bank account within 2 banking days. Okay. So the next feature over here is market. So if you can see the red box at the bottom here, so market will allow you to see, for example, who are the top gainers or top losers at the particular moment that you log in. Okay, so for example, on the screen in the middle over here, at the bottom, you are able to see market statistics. And then if you scroll down, then you will be able to see the third screen over here. Okay, so gainers actually will mean the stocks or the company which have a higher share price today as compared to yesterday. Okay, for losers will be the companies who will have a lower share price today as compared to yesterday. Okay, so this is basically what information that you can get from the market statistic and market data. Okay. So next, moving on to watch list. So under watch list, the predefined watch list that we have will be ETF. So the ETF tab will have the list of ETF that are available through Bursa Malaysia. Okay, so as you can see here, and then you can also click on either one of the ETF to view more information on the ETF. We have statistics, some simple statistics at the bottom, not a very comprehensive one, just few key information or data that we are showing. And then if you scroll down, you can also see the market depth. So how many people are buying at what price, and also how many quantity is selling at what price. Okay, so this is ETF. And the second predefined watch list that we have is KLCI. So these are top KLCI stocks that are pre-selected, okay, by Affin Hwang Investment Bank that you can explore. Okay, so you can click on also either one to view some of the stock information. So we do have a few key information that, for example, we do have the sector. Okay, so which sector that the company is currently in. We do have the dividend yield. How well is the stock paying dividend to you? So dividend is like the interest if you are investing in FD or savings account. Earnings per share also, we do have market capitalization, PE ratio. So all these are actually key information and statistics from the Affin Hwang Investment Bank research based on the previous latest company annual report. Okay, and of course, market depth of the stock, you'll also be able to view if you scroll down a bit further. Okay, and apart from these two predefined watch lists, you can actually pick your own stock and create your own watch list as well. So over here, you can see next to KLCI, we do have watch list A, watch list B. So you can feel free to pick your own stock and then add them into the respective watch list. Then the next time when you come back, you can actually click on the respective watch list to monitor your own stocks. Okay, so how to buy and sell? Very simple. Just click on the preferred stock for yourself. And then once you click in, there is this buy or sell button. Okay, so if you would like to buy stock, just click on the buy button. Sell stock, just click on the sell button. Okay, then it will actually prompt us to key in the share price that we would like to buy into or sell off, share quantity, and then click on confirm. Okay, then all your information that you key in will appear in the summary page for you to review. And once you click buy, you will be required to confirm with your trading PIN number. Okay, once that is done, then your order will be sent. And once the trade and the share will be successfully buy or sold. Okay, so that is a bit of introduction on the share trading feature and application journey for eTrade through your eWallet. Okay. Yep, so that's all for my sharing today. I will take the Q&A later, but before I move on, let me just share with you a quote. So money spent may not always get what you want, okay? So some of the limited edition items, for example, a Rolex watch, no matter how much money we have, sometimes we can't even get one that we like, right? But every cent that you save will support the dream that you want. So no matter how big or how small you start your investment, how big or small your capital is, as long as we make it a consistent habit, okay, then it will definitely help us to support our dream one day. Okay, so in Chinese, we say 不是每次花钱都能买到想要的东西，可是每次存钱都会撑起我们想要的梦想。Okay, so most importantly, make investment or wealth growing a habit in us. Okay, so I'm not sure whether anyone have known that habit, right, is actually a very interesting word. Okay, not sure whether all of you, any one of you heard it before. Because habit is spelled H-A-B-I-T. Okay, if we take out the H from habit, we will still have a bit. And if we take out the A from habit, we will still have bits of it. Okay, and if we take out the B from habit, what do we have? We will still have it in us. Okay, so regardless of anything we do in our life and including investment and growing your wealth, always make it a habit, make it a consistent habit, regardless of how much money we have currently. As long as we are consistent with our habit, then we will definitely be able to achieve our goals or destination one day. Okay, so that's all from me, and I hand over to Afika for the Q&A.
Hi. Okay. Okay, I will handle the Q&A
Atira,
session,
sorry,
okay?
sorry.
Yeah, yeah. So I will read the question that given by the audience. Okay. The first question is, how safe is investing through Tashengo e-wallet? What are the risks involved? Is it regulated by Bank Negara? And also, where can we find the prospective?
Oh, okay, I think I can see the question.
Okay, you can see the question,
How
right?
safe is investing through? Okay, for
Tashengo
all
e-wallet.
if you notice all our investment product that we offer in eWallet app, the product is actually not produced by TNG itself. Okay, we do work with trustable partners like Affin Hwang Investment Bank is one for share trading, Principal Asset Management for all our unit trust products, including Go Plus, okay, Go Plus Unit Trust, ASNB as well, very reputable. And then also lastly for Gold, our liquidity provider is actually CIMB Bank. Okay, so your money that you invest through all these products that I mentioned, the money actually don't sit inside the TNG e-wallet account, but it will be invested through all these respective investment or asset management company or partners. Okay, so and yes, we are regulated by Bank Negara and also Securities Commission. All our products and also our app itself is heavily regulated by these two bodies. For I think for the fund prospectus, right, if I get your question correctly, so for Go Plus and also Principal, if you click inside in your e-wallet, if you click inside their respective app, so you go to grow your money, and then let's say you click inside Principal, okay, so you will be able to select the fund that you would want to invest in, for example. So for example, if I click into the Principal Global Titans fund, okay, there's actually fund info or eye icon. Okay, so that is where you can click and we will direct you to Principal website to view all the fund details, prospectus, including annual report and so on. So that's how you can find the prospectus lah. For ASNB as well, similarly, for all the funds, we do have the product disclosure and also the prospectus link available in the app for each of the respective funds. So you can just click on it to find more details there lah. Okay.
Okay. The next question is, for E-Trade shares, if the company gives dividends, if the company give dividends, will the dividends be deposited directly into my Tashengo account?
No. No, it will be through into the trading account, not the TNG e-wallet account.
Okay.
Mm.
The next one is, any charges if you trade a gold?
No additional charges. So if you click into Emas, if you have your app now, right? If you click into Emas, you'll be able to see the buy amount and also sell amount under today's price. Okay, so basically that will be the amount that you need to pay lah, for any gram of gold that you want to buy or sell. No additional charges apart from the price that you are seeing there.
Okay, the next one is for the e-trade, is it only for the Malaysian stock market?
Yes, Malaysian stock market only.
Okay. And the next one is what is the detailed brokerage charge?
For e-trade, right? Okay, so for trade value less than 10,000, it's a flat brokerage, 5 ringgit. For trade value 10,000 up to 99999, below 100,000 lah. 10,000 to below 100,000 is 0.08% of your trading value. Okay. If above 100,000 and above, it will be 0.05% of your trading value.
Okay.
Mm.
The next one is what's the difference between buying MMF through TNG and directly with Principal Asset Management?
Okay, so for principal asset management, if I'm not mistaken, you will need to go through their agent face to face or physically if you like to invest either in MMF or any unit trust fund or PRS fund. CIMB bank branches do distribute their funds as well, but I believe you also need to meet up with a CIMB relationship manager, okay, or the branch manager or the personal financial consultant in order to purchase it. And the sales charge, if you purchase directly through them, will be slightly higher. It's either 3% or 5%, 3 to 5% of sales charge. Okay, so if you are investing in MMF, for Gold Plus, there is no sales charge. For the Islamic Money Market Fund, IMMF, under the SAFE, because earlier we showed that under Principal Unit Trust, we have the subcategory of SAFE, Invest, or Retire. So the SAFE one, there is no sales charge as well. For other unit trust funds, the sales charge is 1.5%, which is only half of the sales charge that you need to pay to either a bank relationship manager or the principal agent. So this is the key difference lah, I would say. And of course, you can do it directly digitally. No need to meet up anyone. Don't have to take time off to visit the branch and also the agent.
Okay, next question is if I have a e-trade account, can I log into a HIB trading platform to perform a trading?
No, unfortunately, currently no. So if you open the e-trade account through TNG eWallet, then you can only trade through your eWallet app. Currently, it's not linked to the Affin trading platform yet.
Okay, thank you. So the next one is what is the spread percent in gold prices? Is it fixed? Is it fixed percent?
No, it's actually not fixed. Actually, the spread, not only for our EMAS, same for other banking platform as well. Spread is actually just the difference between the buying and also selling price. Yeah, and for the EMAS price, we actually fetch it live from CIMB Bank. So it's actually a live price. The percentage, I don't think is fixed. But you can take a look at the app. So basically the spread just means the difference lah in the buying and also selling price.
Okay. Next one is the money in the Gold Plus still safe if our e-wallet account was hacked?
Okay, so we actually do have a process where our customer can call into the call center if you have detected any fraud activity or if you detected that your e-wallet account is being hacked. So we do have a fraud process to handle these cases. So the process is very similar, I think similar to most of the Malaysian banks as well. So once we investigate and if provided that you do have the necessary police document that you send to us, And then once we investigated and identified that this is a genuine fraud case, then we will perform the refund of the balance to you. So not to worry on this lah.
Okay. The next one is, how does the TNG e-wallets Go Plus is differ from the traditional money market funds that offered by unit trust companies?
I think for me the key difference will be the daily return rate that we are providing to our users, right? So if we know most of the unit trusts, some of them do give out a monthly return, mostly is annually return. But for Go Plus it's actually credited to you every day. Okay, so we actually have the calculation and we do the crediting of daily returns to you every day. So that is one of the key difference lah, I would say, as compared to other traditional money market funds.
Okay. What are the underlying asset in Go Plus and how do they generate returns for investor?
Oh, okay. So Gold Plus is actually money market fund as well. Okay, and it's a Sharia compliant money market fund. How do they generate returns for investor? This one a bit technical. I think if you can relate to something like the Treasury Department of how an investment bank works, then that is something similar. So typically how bank works back end or same for all these fund is that with this fund that the investor invest in, the fund manager will have different strategies. So for example, part of the fund will actually be saved into FD, for example. Some will be into an interest-bearing current account. So from all the returns that the fund manager or the asset management company earns, so that is how all these returns will be distributed to the investor lah, based on how much that they invest. A bit technical, yeah.
Okay. How does TNG make money from Go Plus if the user can withdraw at any time without fees?
Wow, thank you for being concerned on how DNG make money. Actually, for this product, right, even though you cash in through TNG e-wallet, actually this fund sits with Principal Asset Management. Yeah, the money actually doesn't sit with TNGD lah. So that's how the asset management company accumulate the fund size, and also that's how they distribute the daily returns to you. So honest answer is the fund doesn't sit in TNG.
Okay, the next one is, what if I want to trade the US or Hong Kong market after I have like signed up an e-trade account? Can I
Mm.
still open a new account with AHIB?
Yes, you can, but you need to open directly with the bank lah, not through TNGD.
Okay. The next one the next one is, does TNG provide any investment education or risk disclosure tools within the apps?
Sorry, where's the question? Does TNG provide any investor education
Education.
or risk?
Risk.
For risk disclosure, uh, for principal unit trust product, before you onboard, you are actually required to perform the risk profiling question. And then for other disclosure, like I answered earlier, you can actually find it under each of the individual fund. We have the annual report, the product disclosure sheet, and all those information for individual fund, not for TNG as a whole. Because different fund will have a different disclosure and also information. And for education, it's something that we are exploring, whether we can have a education hub that sits within our app, but currently all our education materials are through our social media.
Okay. Is the money in Go Plus is protected under PIDM?
No, it's not.
It's
I
not
think only
protected.
banking savings account are protected under PIDM. Go Plus is not.
Okay. The next one is, will TNG has a future roadmap to become one of the digital banks in Malaysia?
I think I might need my CEO to answer this. Just kidding. We so currently, we are the largest e-wallet in Malaysia. So, as we know, digital banks, they just emerged. The earliest one I think was just last year, right? And some this year. So, however, for TNG e-wallet, we have already been in the market for six years or more. So, our e-money license is also from Bank Negara, and of course, we are also regulated by them. So for now, we do not see a need to have another license under digital bank.
Okay. Is it convenient to transfer the money entered into the Go Plus to our bank account? So got some working days in the
Is it
TNC.
transfer
Ah,
the money? From Go Plus to bank
yeah.
account. So the transfer out process is the same. So if you have your e-wallet now, on your home screen, on top there's the transfer button, right? So you just click on transfer and then send money. Okay, key in your account number under Do It Now. Then select your account number and then the money will be transferred out immediately already.
Okay, the next question is, how safe is TNG e-wallet compared to other e-wallet platform?
How, how safe is TNG e-wallet?
Ah,
I would say it's pretty safe. Firstly, we do have a few authentication method. Firstly, if you want to log in, you will either need to key in your 6-digit PIN and also your thumbprint. Okay, and then for any payment that you make in website, you also need to verify, perform the authentication in the app first. So without the authentication, the payment will definitely not go through. Okay, and then also within TNG eWallet itself, we do implement a backend risk rule. So there are certain rules that we set, which I won't have the criteria, only our risk team has the criteria, right? So if you hit a certain number of transaction or certain number of transaction limit that we detect that it may be a potential fraud transaction, then we will also need you to authenticate with your face verification in order for the payment to go through. So these are some of the risk rule and also the verification that we implement in place just so that everyone can have a peace of mind when they are using or transferring with the e-wallet lah.
okay. Can I get the actual goal when buy Go with TNG?
Can I get
The
No,
actual
currently it's digital gold only. Yeah, so it's not a physical gold. Yeah, so however, if we do explore into physical gold, then probably you will see it in the future.
Okay. The next one is, are there any plans to introduce ETFs or REITs to the Go Invest platforms?
ETF, yes. For those ETF that are currently available in Bursa, you can actually uh buy or sell that through E-Trade. Okay. REITs, no, not for now.
Oh no, it's not.
Mm.
Okay, the next one. Those funds purchased with principal, is there a way we can check that at statement?
Principal for unit trust and also uh PRS, let me think. Yes, actually principal will actually send the statement to your email. Yeah, so you can check your email, and if you didn't receive it after you invest, if you invest since last year, you should be receiving the statement already. If no, then you can also try to email to their customer service to request for it.
Okay. The next one is, can we see your fund performance reports in the app and where I can view them?
Fund performance, if you're talking about consolidated view, currently we don't have this feature yet. However, if through individual partner, so example, if you invested in ASMB unit trust, then you can click into ASMB and view the fund performance or how much units or balance that your investment has grown into. And then for principal one, you will need to click into the principal tile individually to view the different fund performance.
Okay. Where can I get more info on the Visa card offered by Touch 'n Go?
Visa card. So for Visa card, just also in the app. So if you have your app on your hand right now, on the home page, if you scroll down a bit more, okay, under Go Finance, just click on open and then you can see a Visa card one. When you're inside Go Finance, scroll down, there's a Visa card, just click into it and the information should be there.
Okay. The next one is about the price goal. Is the price goal of TNG linked to the global spot price or local Malaysian gold price only?
It's local from CIMB Bank.
Or it's local? Okay.
Mm.
Are there any ESG or sustainable funds available
Us-
on Go Invest?
No, currently not that I know of.
Okay. And then, will TNT add advanced charting tools for Go Gold in future updates?
Will TN... Sorry, where's the question?
The the below,
Below. Oh,
the
will
bottom one.
TNGD add advanced charting tool? Oh, for ERMAS, is it?
Yes, yes.
Uh, Charting tool, no, because if you notice, right, we actually keep our app and the feature quite simple because we want to also enable more Malaysians or young Malaysians to use the app and also explore more features with us, right? So we also understand that maybe not all the population have very good or expert in investment knowledge. So we are starting the investment products very simple first. Okay, for now. Advanced charting tool, maybe in the future lah, but not like in the near future, like next year or this year lah.
Okay, with so many cashback rewards and investment features in e-wallets now, what is the best way to maximize them for a wealth building?
I think this one depends on different people, so it's quite a personal question, but I would say that first and foremost, we must know our own investment or wealth goal. Okay, so maybe how much money do we want to accumulate within how long, or I want to retire with this much money within how many years. So only that then you will know how much returns in percentage that you need to earn, okay, from your current capital now in order to achieve your goal. So I would say there's no one size fits all for now, but in TNG eWallet app, if you're at the beginner, we will definitely recommend you to start off with Go Plus first because that is the easiest product that can help you to accumulate your wealth. Okay, so daily returns, low risk money market fund. Okay, and then as you accumulate more amount and you feel that I'm more comfortable to take on more risk already in order to earn higher returns. Then maybe you can go into unit trust funds, ASMB or principal, okay, within the TNG eWallet, because these funds are actually managed by fund managers, by the asset management company. So you don't have to do your own analysis and select which stock to invest in and so on. Okay, so maybe you can continue on with that. And then if you are ready to go on with more expert, or you're already expert in unit trust, and then you also have knowledge in analyzing stock already, maybe into share trading, or if outside of eWallet, explore, feel free to also explore other investment tools as well. So I would say it's quite personal. First, of course, know your own investment goal first, and then also know your own risk appetite, whether are you afraid of losing your capital, or you are very ready to take risks. Also very important. Okay, and then you can explore which are actually the investment tool that will make you more comfortable in your wealth building journey.
Yeah, this is like interesting question. Can I nominate a beneficiary for my Go Plus or Go Invest account in case of
Oh,
that?
currently no, except for private retirement scheme, you are required to nominate. But for other unit trust funds, currently no. But okay, if in case touch wood, this happens, then we do already have a process whereby we collect the supporting documentation, and we will definitely process the cash out of the remaining units in Go Plus or the Go Invest account into the next of kin lah.
Okay. Is the joint account investing supported by Go Invest or Go Plus?
No, currently all are individual.
Okay. And then does the app provide a portfolio rebalancing tools or asset allocation suggestions?
Mm, Currently no as well. Yeah, because for unit trust, it is all individual funds. There's
Okay.
no asset rebalancing for now.
Okay. Does Go Plus yield keep up with inflation in Malaysia?
The scope, you mean will if the question is, will our return rate increase together with inflation rate? This one not sure, but currently it's quite stable at 3.5% per annum lah.
Okay. Is the Go Plus infected by the weakening of ringgit Malaysia?
Mm, I'm not very familiar uh with this. But if you need the answer, maybe I can check with the principal fund manager, and I send to Atira for her to email out.
Okay. The other one is, can children or teens, which is under 18s, invest in Go Plus, but it was under parental supervisions?
Currently no. We only open to 18 and above.
Okay. Okay. And the next one is, are capital gains or income from Go Plus and Go Invest is taxable in Malaysia?
For now, no.
For now, it's no.
No.
Okay. Thank you. And this is okay. Can I pay using my TNG e-wallet when I'm in a foreign country?
Oh, yes. So, if you are in a few like Thailand, you can already scan their PromptPay QR code to make payment. In China, then you can also scan the Alipay QR code to make payment. So, I think most of the countries now have Alipay QR, so you can definitely pay with your e-wallet.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I understand. Okay, I think this will be uh our last question. Is this TNG linked with Alipay and how does it work?
Link with Alipay. If you mean link with the app, currently I think no. But if you mean the Ali QR code, then how it works is okay. So if you currently need to make a payment overseas, when you click on the scan button at the bottom, the middle button, and then when you click on pay and you scroll down, you can actually see a pay via Alipay Plus. Okay, so over here there will actually, sorry, you cannot see. There's actually the Alipay QR code also. So the overseas merchant can scan your Alipay QR code, or you can scan
Oh,
their Alipay QR code to make payment.
okay. The next one is if I pay using Touch and Go outside of Malaysia, what exchange rate is used?
The exchange rate, you can actually see immediately on the app one. I know if for Visa card, they will follow the Visa exchange rate. But for the spot rate when you are making payment through QR, I'm not very sure about that. But before you make the payment, you can actually see the exchange rate and then what is the amount in the particular country currency and also in RM.
Oh, so that's mean even in that country you can see the amount that you want to pay and then it will goes out in RM lah.
Yeah, it will convert
Uh-huh.
into RM for you on the screen.
Oh, on the spot lah.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Okay. Okay. Means I no need to transfer TNG money into Alipay account first before make a payment.
Means I'm not sure what you mean here. Do you mean that you want to make payment overseas, like for example in China? If uh if you mean that you want to make payment in China, oh
Yes,
yes,
overseas.
overseas
Yes.
in China, yes, yes, you can actually pay directly with TNG eWallet. Yeah, just scan their Alipay QR.
So and then is are there withdrawal fees if I use the NG Visa card at overseas ATM?
TNG Visa card.
Can we use it in like overseas?
Yes, there is there is withdrawal fee
Mm-hmm.
for, let me check. There's a withdrawal fee. Okay, so for local it's 140 and then for overseas withdrawal is 10 ringgit.
Okay. I think that is our last question.
Okay.
And I would like to sincerely to thank Miss Yuening for taking the time to respond to all the questions that the audience have asked. I hope that all of you have